If you see a mistake or need to reconfigure an item, you can click the shopping cart in the upper right corner, which will take you back to your cart to make changes. From here, you can delete lines or make changes to existing lines. To reconfigure a line, click Reconfigure next to the image. This will launch the configurator to make the changes. Once changes have been made, click Finish, and your changes have been saved. Choose Checkout and complete your quote. Once again, we are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, other videos, or documentation, please visit the DeMI website or contact us directly.